Following the death of Halo, questions now being raised about the welfare of children in general and if the systems in place are working to protect them.
Our team coverage continues tonight. Tom Eschen reports now outside Schenectady Police Headquarters with what he's learning.
Well, police say that Persia Nelson did indeed have legal custody of Halo and that they did live within the city of Schenectady, but they did not say whether or not they had a permanent address. Now, this all comes as we take a deeper look tonight into the tragedy and potentially how others like it could be prevented.
She was beautiful. She was charming. She was very intelligent.
Kyrie says she's a cousin of Halo Branton's father, telling reporters the father had been fighting for custody of the 10-month-old child.
We need to make the court system more stronger because he was fighting for that baby. Now look, because she was the mom you just gave her.
This tragedy shining a light on the family court system and the challenges it and the individuals involved are facing.
And I never understood, why is it that the most vulnerable people in society should have a disproportionate lack of resources? These are people who need the court system the most, and yet because of the way the court system is structured, they're getting the fewest judges, the fewest the worst technology.
William Silverman is a co-author of a recent report detailing family court's shortfalls and its impact on families and children.
This is not an academic issue, right? Court reform is not academic. We're talking about the safety and security of families and children.
State Assembly member Mary Beth Walsh, also a practicing family court attorney, says by nature, family court is a congested court, but there are ways to make it more efficient. For example, recently, Saratoga County added a third family court judge.
The legislature tries to be responsive to that, but when we added the third family court judge, I think that does help because then the family court can take a little bit more time to really make sure that they understand what's going on.
As for this case specifically, at Monday's press conference, authorities were asked if they could comment on a fight over custody. Chief Clifford said,
I cannot. It's my understanding that she has one other child in the custody of the child's biological father.
We also reached out to the State Child Protective Services to ask if they had ever been involved in the welfare of Halo. They gave us the statement tonight saying they're deeply saddened by the tragic death of Halo Branton. While the safety and well-being of all New York children is our utmost priority, we cannot comment further during ongoing investigations. CBS 6 also asked at that press conference earlier tonight if there were any previous police reports of child abuse or neglect. Authorities answered by saying they are looking into it as a part of their ongoing investigation as well. Reporting here from Schenectady, Tom Eschen, CBS 6 News.